Hello everyone. So our next topic in rational numbers is all about adding and subtracting decimals. We learn targets for today, or we can add and subtract decimals, and we can solve problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals at the end of the lesson. These are the steps in adding and subtracting decimals. First, we need to align the decimal points vertically. Second, perform the indicated operation. Third, place the decimal point on the answer directly below the other decimal points. Let's have an example. 0.64 plus 2.39. Again, align or arrange this first vertically and make sure that the decimal points are aligned. Then, we can now proceed in adding the numbers like we used to add whole numbers. So 4 plus 9, 13. Carry 1, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 3. After that, do not forget to also place the decimal point just below the decimal point, or just simply bring down the decimal point. So the final answer now is 3.03. Next, negative 1.4 minus 2.8. Since we have different signs, negative 1.4 minus positive 2.8, we need to follow the PCC rule. So keep the minuend, so that is 1.4, minus will become plus, and positive 2.8 will become negative 2.8. For doing the KCC, do not forget to align this new set of decimals to vertical form. So that would be negative 1.4 plus negative 2.8. And the decimal points should be aligned. Let's proceed. Since we are adding to the same sign, we simply add the numbers. So 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Then simply bring down the decimal point. Okay, then since they are both negative numbers, the answer is a negative number as well. So negative 1.4 minus positive 2.8 is negative 4.2. Next, 5 plus negative 3.8. As you can see, we are adding now two different signs. Like in integers, if we are adding two numbers with different sign, we just subtract the numbers. So this is now 5 minus 3.18. Okay, and then let us arrange them vertically. So that is 5 and 3.18. If you can still remember, if we have whole number, all whole numbers, the decimal point is in the right side. And since we have um two decimal numbers here, just simply add two zeros so that we can easily subtract the numbers. Okay? Then perform the operation. 0 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow from the neighbor number. But since we are borrowing from 0, let's borrow from the nearest non-zero number, which is 5. 5 will become 4, 0 will become 9, and 0 now, the 0 is 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down the decimal point here. That is why alignment of decimal, or yeah, the decimal point is very important. Okay, next. 0.7 minus negative 1 half. As you can see, we are subtracting, so follow the KCC rule. Keep the minuend 0.7 minus will become plus, negative 1.2 will become positive 1.2. Now we are adding numbers with the same sign. We simply add the numbers. Okay, and then align the place the decimal point vertically. So that is now 0.7 plus 1.2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then bring down decimal point or just place down below the decimal point. So the answer now is 1.9. Next, Aaron scored 452.65 marks out of 600 in the final examination. How many marks did he lose? What is asked? The number of marks Aaron lost. For the integer equation, since we are asking about, or the keyword is cost, we're going to subtract the given numbers. So that is now 600 minus 452.65. For your solution, make sure to write these numbers in a vertical form. So that is 600 minus 452.65. Wait a minute. Okay. Since you have here decimal numbers, also add 2 zeros here with a decimal point in our whole number. Okay? Again, make sure to align. This is very important. You cannot write it as like this. Okay? If you wrote your solution like this, you for sure you will get the wrong answer because alignment of decimal point is very important. Okay, so that is now 600.00 minus 452.65. And simply subtract the numbers. 0 minus 5 cannot be, so we need to borrow from the nearest non-zero number, which is 6. 6 will now become 5. These zeros will become 9 because we borrowed 1 from them. And this 0 is now 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, bring down the decimal point or place a decimal point here aligned to the other decimal point. So the answer now is 147.35. For the final answer, Aaron lost 147.35 marks. For your assignment, perform the indicated operation in your math notebook. Make sure you follow the rules in adding or subtracting the same sign and different sign. That would be all. Thank you for listening.